Alright guys, today I will teach you how to modify the Moodle theme. This is Udemy theme that normally the price is around $99 on Theme Forest. So I have installed it and I will teach you how to modify that one. First of all, after login, you will just log in here and you will see that this page is showing this is our front page. I click here, turn editing on. So in my first video, I will teach you how to modify the menu bar and how to modify this slider. Okay. First of all, you can click here. You can see here, configure Cocon slider style 1 block. I'll click here. So that's my slider actually. If I open this one in new tab, so that's my slider. If I want to change some images here, I can change a photo here. If I want to change some text or links, I can change that one. I will come back to that one. So here is our first slide. Its written text is self-education, resource and infos. This one. If you, this is image one. If you have to delete this one first, and you can drop another image. You can come to your photos, any of the photo you can take and you can use that one here. Let me choose one of the photo from my laptop, so I can upload that one here. Like for example this one, I have just uploaded it here. So it's uploading. Sometime it's taking a little bit time. You can see it's 89%, 94, 99. That's it. Normally this photo, if it is more than 15 MB, this one will not be uploaded properly. So you have to be choose a photo that is around 4-5 MB maximum. So I have changed slide 1 image. I'll come here and I will save that one. Now I will refresh the page. And you can see the background photo is changed. Alright, so this is how to change the slider images. Then if you have to change these links, any of the links, you have to remove some pages. You can remove some pages as well according to your need. You will come here in site administration. You will come here in appearance, and here is your theme setting. You can see these all are the menu pages that you have used that are in the website already. Here these are pages, these are pages. If you want to change any of these pages, you can change that one. For example, I will change some of the page link. Like for example, home one is this one. Course, if I want to put courses, these are the sub menus. Events, for example, if I want about us page, should not be the sub menu. I will remove like this. I'll put it here. It's normal page, right? So about us page will be displayed. You can see there is no about us page here on the top. Save it. Simple. You can see the about us page is here now. All right. Thank you.